In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate overtime hours in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and effective way to automatically calculate overtime based on total hours worked. The idea is to have Excel check whether the value in your hours column is greater than 8. If it is, Excel will subtract 8 and return only the extra time. If it is not, Excel will return 0. This helps you avoid manual calculations and keeps your worksheet consistent. Begin by clicking cell C2, which is your overtime column. This is where you want the overtime result to appear for the first row of data. Once C2 is selected, type the following formula exactly as shown. Equals IF, open parenthesis, B2 greater than 8, comma, B2 minus 8, comma, 0, then close parenthesis. In Excel format, that is =IF B2 8, B2 minus 8, 0. After you type the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately evaluate the value in cell B2. If the number in B2 is more than 8, the formula will display the overtime amount. For example, if B2 contains 10, the result in C2 will be 2. If B2 contains 8 or less, the result will be 0, which means there is no overtime for that row. Once the formula is working correctly in C2, you can apply it to the rest of the rows in your overtime column. Move your pointer to the bottom right corner of cell C2 until you see the small fill handle. Then drag that corner downward through the rest of your column. As you drag, Excel will copy the formula into the cells below and automatically adjust the row references for each one. This means each row will check its own hours value in column B and calculate overtime in the same way. It is a fast method and especially useful when you are working with larger timesheets or employee hour logs. If you want to make sure everything looks correct, take a quick look at a few of the results after filling down the formula. This helps confirm that Excel has applied the calculation properly across the column. That covers everything you need to know.